How to play games in your Snapchat with your friends. If you really want to play some of the games on Snapchat with your friends, then all you need to do is, first thing first, head over to the Snapchat. Make sure you are logged into your specific account. You should know that you cannot directly play the game with your friends on DM. It's because the application has been updated and they have removed the feature of playing games together on Snapchat. But still you can play games on Snapchat. What you need to do is click on the search icon. In the search bar, you need to search for games. Tons of different games options will be visible to you. All you need to do is select any one of it. Let me select this one for now. Now move into your home page of your Snapchat. Now you will be able to play the game. You can start recording the video and then click on start. Now you can play the game like this. And once you are done, you can stop recording. If you want to send it, then click on send to at the bottom right corner of the screen. Select any of the person that you want to send this. Let me choose this person for now and then click on send. Well, it has been sent to the person that you have selected. Likewise, they can also click on this filter and then play the game along. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.